Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson, and I'm at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2019 XT23. This boat has the yellow hull, the silver metal flake, and then it has the yellow second and then the yellow deck. It has the gray interior with also black cool fill of the second interior and yellow piping. This is the V bow on the front of this boat. I'm gonna take you down the side of this boat. This boat looks really good. The metal flake looks good with the yellow. It has the ZFT7 Tower with 2 Plush speakers, swivel wakeboard wake surf racks. We got the teak swim deck on this. Really dresses up this boat nicely. I have the walkthrough here, and also has a snap-in pad to make this whole thing a sun pad back here. It does come with a ski tow bar. Stepping on into the boat. So it's a 23-foot boat, plenty of room and space, seats 16 people. We do have the heaters in this boat, and heater vents, heater hoses, built-in cooler, tons of storage, flip-up seat. Does come with the nice air dam door, cup holders, Plush sound system. Over here in the command center, got the nice gauges, Plush stereo control, phone holder. This boat's awesome. 23 feet, great wakeboard boat, great surf boat. Rides really well too, and you can also ski behind this boat. It has the advanced audio. Got the subwoofer here behind the seat. Come and check this awesome boat out at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Or check us out online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005 and come and get. We have great deals going on this boat. It's a 2019 XT23 Mastercraft. Thank you.